Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I am Sravya. Today we are going to make pasta. Ingredients and quantity required are in the description box. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon. Now moving on to the recipe, give tomatoes a cross cut like this and boil in water until the skin loosens up. Take them out of the water, peel the skin and make a paste after they cool down. In the same pan, add salt and some more water. Let the water come to rolling boil and add the pasta. You can boil the pasta in fresh water if you want. I used multigrain fusilli pasta. You can use your favorite type of pasta. Boil the pasta for exactly 7 to 8 minutes if you want a bite to it. If you like the pasta to be soft, boil it for 10 minutes. After the pasta is boiled, take it off the heat and drain the water. Save the water for later use. For sauce, heat oil in a pan and add minced garlic. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add finely chopped onions and cook them until just before they get brown. Don't let the onions and garlic get brown. These are what gives the pasta a bit of crunch. If you let them get brown, you will lose that crunch. At this point, add the tomato puree we made earlier and cook for 3 minutes. Add salt and let it cook for 3 more minutes. Add red chilli powder and saute for 1 minute. Add Italian seasoning, pepper powder and mix them. Remember the drained water from cooked pasta that we saved earlier? Add that water now to the sauce. You can use normal water if you want, but this water gives a better taste than regular water. Let the sauce cook until it reaches the consistency you are looking for. 1 minute before it reaches your desired consistency, check for seasoning. You can adjust the seasoning at this point. I added some more red chilli powder, pepper powder and Italian seasoning. Basically all the seasonings except salt. After you got the consistency you want, add cream and mix well. Do not add heavy cream. Add the cream with low fat. The amount of cream depends on how creamy you want your pasta to be. If you want your pasta to be saucy, add cream to the sauce when it is a bit watery. After mixing cream well into the sauce, add the cooked pasta and mix until all the pasta is well coated with the sauce. Eat the pasta immediately after taking it off the heat. If you let the pasta cool down, it gets soggy. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any suggestions or video requests, write in the comment section. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Happy cooking! Bye bye!